La Champions es la hostia, ¿sabes?
Yes, we feel really good, and we think we are in a deserved where we are, because the boys showed really up in all the different games, and it was a very exciting journey so far, and now we want to bring it to best possible end.
Tenemos la posibilidad de jugar una tercera final y nosotros, por eso que, bueno, estaba diciendo antes que el rival puede tener más hambre. ¿Cómo a mí me puedes decir eso?
I can already read the headline which my answer would create. No. Look, you can write a whole book about that importance of Mo Salah and Cristiano Ronaldo for their teams, without my saying. So that's cool.
Es una cosa bueno, que todo el mundo quiere y al final nosotros vamos a jugar la tercera consecutiva. Entonces, bueno, es muy bonito. Muy bonito.
They played these finals pretty much with the same team all the time. That is very special as well. So as a group, they are very strong, and that's all fact. But it's still football.